This is Zulfiqar Ahmad, CEO Innovation Lab, a frugal innovation company based in Faisalabad. We are working on IoT solutions in the areas of sustainable development goals, especially in environment, healthcare and education. Today we are introducing our intelligent fever detection system. It's a contactless temperature system that can measure temperature of human in large numbers in a very short period of time. The advanced version of this system can send data over the cloud. The system is more efficient and cost effective than handheld temperature guns. The system is applicable at public places where large number of people walk by. Places like factories, schools, hospitals, government and corporate buildings. These are all the places where this system can be installed. Let's have a demo of this system now.